Hello and welcome back to another C tutorial video. So we're going to be using command line arguments. So we have int argc for argument counter, and we have char pointer of vectors of arrays. So it's a argument vector. So all our arguments are passed in here. So the first element of the argv is always going to be the name of our executable file, and then everything we type after that, space separated, will be our other arguments. Anyways, let's go. So I'm going to just do create a file, and then I'm going to set this file to be equal to the first argument that I pass in. So I'm just going to do an if just to make sure. So argc has to be greater than 1. So it has to be greater than just the file name, just the executable on its own. So our second argument will be the file name. So we'll go file equals if open and argv1. So the second, because we start at 0, so that'll be the executable name. So this will be the file name. And then we go while if get. We want to make something to write this into, so we'll make a string here. Just arbitrary size. Okay, so we go string, size of string, and our file. And then we're just going to print out each line to the console. Oh, need to say what we're opening the file for. So we want to read the file. So we do or. Okay, now it executes. Right, so then line and file2.txt is a file I have already. I'll just show you what's in that file so that you know. So this is what's in the file, and we have to have this file created in order to read it in. So I have this file created so I can read it in here, but you need to create a file. So we'll just go line file2.txt, and there we go. Space that new line character makes it look terrible. Let's do that again. Oh, we need to recompile. There we go. Printed our file. So see here, this is our executable, and then the name of the argument. So if we just do this, we'll just comment out all this and I'll show you. So for int I equal to 0 all the way up to argc, that's printf argvi, and rerun this program, or recompile this program, and then line file2.txt, my name is Pat, I love C programming. And then you can see, so that loop through argv, so this is the length of argv. So we could also set here the size of argv, but we'll just leave it for now. Yeah, so we just have the executable name, then everything we passed in after, so space separated. So here we go. Each line consists of the next argument. So that's how you use command line arguments in C. Thanks for watching.